All right, let's see if we can correct this video from yesterday. Or not this video, this X ticket from yesterday. So let's start with, these are lengths of movies, and they're all kinds of different lengths. And think about the movies you've seen and if this makes sense for it. So first of all, from 80 to 90, there was only one movie that was between 80 and 90 minutes. Lots of movies from 90 to 100, though, so there's actually 4 of those. So we can mark it all the way up to 4. From 100 to 110, there were 7. Which makes sense. We've seen a lot of movies in this range. And then 110 to 120, it drops a little. There's only 5 movies that have that length of movie. We're talking about minutes again. And then there's another 7 for the 2 hour and the 2 hour mark, because obviously 60 minutes. 2 hours right here, 2 hours and 10 minutes here. And then there's 3 in this last one. And then finally, they had one very, very long movie from an hour and 20 to an hour and 30. There was only one movie that was that long. So if we're going to describe the overall shape of this data, we could say the center of it looks to be about right there. And if that's our center of the data, it looks like it is approximately symmetrical. It's not leaning one way or the other. And it's not exactly symmetrical because these match up. This one folds over, but these two do not match up. So it's just these two parts that prevent it from being exactly symmetrical. We don't see very many of those. So what does the histogram tell you about the length of movies? Well, remember, we want to talk about most movies, right? And the unusual, right? So most movies are, it looks like they're between 100 and 110 minutes. Or they are 120 to 130. However, very few movies are 0 to 90 minutes, or there's also not very many over here, 140 or higher minutes. So now go ahead and find the page that says Tuesday's exit ticket reflection in your roadmap. That's part of getting things done today too, as I come around and you think about your grit grade for today.